need to deal with this issue because it's cancerous. A report that came out was that the EFF is an MI6 project.
Let's first of all look at who Julius is.
Yeah.
Okay. My research indicates Julius Malema was introduced to MI6, British intelligence, by Rob Hersov. So Julius works for MI6, British intelligence. Julius's function, when the time comes, is to cause chaos with all the uneducated youth. His function is to cause chaos. After this, I'll face another 10 defamation matters in the High Court. Everybody will sue again. But the truth is the truth.
But we need to substantiate, because, you know, assuming and speculating is one thing, but proving it's another. And it looks like you are always convicted. You can't. It comes from somewhere. So if it's coming from the belly of the beast, let's hear about it. Why all of, you know, why would you narrow it down to this?
Because I've seen evidence. I've seen photographs of Julius's meetings with Rob Hersov and MI6. And so have many other people. It's on social media.
Maybe it's AI.
No.
You know how it operates.
No, I do. Trust me.
Yeah.
We know the difference between AI photographs and actual photographs.
Okay.
Have you met, I know you've met Malema.
I met Julius.
You met Julius in London, right?
I hosted his first ever lunch in London.
Yeah, I think
and
I
there's
was
this
in Oxford.
photograph of Lord Robin Rennick, who died a month ago.
Yeah.
My dad, me, and Julius Malema.
Yes, yeah.
We were just having lunch.
Yeah.
And there were 20 other people there. And that picture's been flying around. Paulie van Wyk, when I first moved back to South Africa, journalist for Daily Maverick,
Yes, yeah.
comes up to me and says, I'm doing an article on you funding the EFF. I went, where do you get this from? She said, this photograph. I said, so you extrapolate a lunch photograph to me funding the EFF. I mean, come on. Do proper work.
Yeah. So you didn't.
So I met Julius, and he was very impressive. He's highly intelligent. He plays to the audience. I tried to get him to put his red cap on for a photograph. He said no. He knew this was London, the city of London. These are the big beasts of the financial sector. And he was going to do the right thing. And my father, after 20 minutes of Julius speaking, people were nodding their heads. Because 90% of what he says you can actually agree with. The rest is the Looney Tunes. And my father put his hand up and he said, Julius, how can...
They must stop shouting at us. They must go and fight for their battle in Zimbabwe and win. If they've got ground and they are formed on the basis of solid ground in Zim, why are they speaking in Santen and not Mashonaland or Matabeleland? There's nothing Santen in Zimbabwe. There's everything about the Zimbabweans. Let them go back and go and fight them. Even when the ANC was underground in exile, we had our internal underground forces fighting for freedom. And we have never spoken from exile. You see, let me tell you, before you are Chacharachne,